Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by equipping the rope tether tool and immediately scanning the environment for a solid anchor point. Aim deliberately at the glowing or highlighted surface. You want a stable hold. Once locked, fire the tether or shoot the rope arrow and make sure the connection animation completes before moving. This ensures the physics will behave predictably. If you rush movement, the hook may miss or detach, so pause briefly after the shot and confirm the line is taut before proceeding with the next action. Once the rope is attached, test it by gently shifting your weight so you can assess tension and swing arc. This prevents surprises. Then use the appropriate movement. Walk for steady traversal, jump and release for controlled swings, or lock and rappel for vertical drops. Make sure to time jumps with momentum. Release at the apex for maximum distance. Also combine tether use with nearby ledge grabs or melee pushes to alter trajectory. These techniques let you cross gaps and manipulate environmental puzzles. To finish, release the tether at the swing apex and aim your body toward a grab point. This maximizes reach and secures a ledge. If the rope fails or attachment looks unstable, stop and reattach from a better angle or move to a different anchor. Make sure to re-equip the tether tool if animations glitch. If physics break or Lara gets stuck, quick solutions are to reload the last checkpoint or save. Then retry the sequence. This clears soft errors and preserves progress without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.